Good afternoon. This is Neil with the Simpler Futures Thursday night update. It is August the 10th after CPI day today. So, first of all, the message today is same as it ever was, same as it was yesterday. Tricky. But, I mean, even worse than that, it's exactly the same message as yesterday. It's the exact same targets, both high and low. It's the exact same over-under. Somebody commented in last night's video they didn't learn anything from watching this one. Well, I guarantee you're not going to learn anything from watching this one tonight then, because it's the same exact as it was yesterday. Over-under, 45.05. ES, bullish target, 45.55. Bearish target, 44.64. Neither one of them traded today, even though we made a new high and new low for the week today on CPI. And, you know, I mean, the chart speaks for itself. I mean, value is down here at the lows with price on the lows, and so certainly accepting lower prices. Last week was 45.25. This time is down at 44.85. That's about 40 lower, and my target is 44.64, and that has not traded yet. So, nothing else to say on that. So, switch gears because I got nothing to say on that. We go to crude, at least learn something. That's the thing about doing videos every night. It's not like I have something new to say every single night. It's just that I have to do a video. So, you know, I mean, there's nothing changed. I got nothing new to say. So we'll just switch gears and go to crude. We've got some special prices here that I won't go into in this video. If you want to learn more about that, you can come visit us in the trade room. But 77.5 led us up to 81.5. 81.5 led us to 84. 84 will lead us to 88.8. But how do we get there? Answer, 84 leads back to 81.5 support and then up to target 88.8. That'll be my next bullish target in crude. And after it plays out and you want to see how in the world did that work and why and what those levels are, you can come join us in the futures room. We'll be happy to see you there. Till then, take care. Good trading. See you again at the next update.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me